excuse me. Thank you. If you've always wanted a garden but think your space is too small, container gardens and hanging baskets can transform your space into a lush, thriving garden. They're versatile, easy to maintain, and great for both urban and suburban environments. Plus, they allow you to get creative with plant combinations and designs. To make it easier, I'll group the plants into 4 categories: trailing plant, filler plants, thriller plant, and edible plants. Let's start with the trailing plants. These are ideal for hanging baskets as they drape beautifully over the edges, adding a cascading effect. Here are some examples. Sweet potato vine. This plant has vibrant foliage that comes in various colors like chartreuse and deep purple. Bacopa. With its delicate trailing stems and small white or purple flowers, it's perfect for adding a small, special, soft touch. Trailing lobelia. Its masses of small blue or purple flowers create a stunning waterfall effect. Now let's talk about filler plants. Filler plants add volume and fill in the gaps between the more prominent plants, creating a lush, full look. Here are some examples. Coleus. Known for its colorful and patterned foliage, Coleus adds a bold splash of color. Petunias. These come in a wide range of colors and can bloom profusely throughout the season. Begonias. With their attractive foliage and flowers, they're great for adding texture and color. Now for some thriller plants. Thriller plants are the focal point of your design. They add height and a dramatic element to your design. Here are some examples. Angelonia. Caladiums. With their large heart-shaped leaves and striking colors, they make a bold statement. Canna lilies. Their tall stature and vibrant flowers are perfect for adding a dramatic flair. Now my personal favorite, edible plants. Edible plants are not only beautiful, but also practical, allowing you to grow fresh produce in small spaces. First off, cherry tomatoes. Perfect for containers, they produce a bountiful harvest of sweet and juicy tomatoes. My favorite is the unicorn for 2025. Basil is also another fantastic addition to your containers. It adds greenery and fragrance, they're easy to grow in containers, and it's edible. Peppers. Typically, you don't think about peppers in a container. There are ornamental peppers and edible peppers. The edible peppers, you can grow it in hanging baskets, and then the fruit will hang off the side for easy picking. So here are some of my design tips when you're planning out your arrangement. Remember this formula: thriller, filler, spiller. Use this formula for a balanced and visual appeal arrangement. Next, think about color coordination. Choose plants with complementary colors for a harmonious look, and don't forget to play. And most importantly, to make sure your arrangement thrives and survives, sunlight and watering needs need to match. Group your plants with similar light and water requirements together to ensure they thrive. Designing hanging baskets and container gardens is a fun and rewarding way to enhance your outdoor space. I hope these tips and plant suggestions inspire you to create your own beautiful arrangements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite plants for containers. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.